Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply Pythagoras theorem. When I'm talking about how to apply, I'm not going to show you what is Pythagoras theorem, how to calculate all the direct question. But I'm going to show you how to apply the Pythagoras theorem in indirect questions, such as if the question asks you to find the height, the length, or the distance, and so on, where you can see this question in the mensuration, geometry, or in bearings, or when you calculate 3D. So before we move on, do you know that Pythagoras theorem only worked for right angle triangle and it didn't work for non-right angle triangle? And Pythagoras theorem only can use to find the length and not the angle. This, I believe you know this. This is a Pythagoras theorem. When we can use this to find the length in the right angle triangle. And one thing you need to take note is the hypotenuse, where the hypotenuse is the longest with the span. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest. If you calculate the hypotenuse, it should be the longest. If you calculate, then you get it shorter than the other side, then it means something's wrong. So the formula to calculate with Pythagoras theorem is c squared, where is the hypotenuse, equal to a squared plus b squared. This one, I believe you should have noticed. Okay, so here are the steps to apply Pythagoras theorem. First, you need to make sure you have the right angle triangle. If you can't see in the question, you need to find where is it. You need to find it. Okay. Second, you need to determine where is the hypotenuse. This is important because if it's the length or the side that you want to find is a hypotenuse, then you need to plus. If no, then it's minus. You can recall the formula is c squared equal to a squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared. This is c, this is a, this is b. Why is it so far away? Okay, c, oops. Okay. Okay. So if you want to find the hypotenuse, just plus. Where else, if you want to find the you want to find the other two sides, you minus. Let's say you want to find a squared, that should equal to c squared minus b squared. Let's try with some question. Okay, these are the direct, this is a right angle triangle and the x is the hypotenuse. This is your x and this is hypotenuse. Therefore, x squared is equal to 16 squared plus 12 squared. And x equal to square root of 16 squared plus 12 squared. Calculate, you should get 20. Okay. Next, okay, the hypotenuse is the 26. This is a hypotenuse. Therefore, since the x is not hypotenuse, therefore you minus, take 26. So x squared equal to 26 squared minus 10 squared. So therefore, x equal to square root of 26 squared minus 10 squared. You calculate, you should get 20. Where is it? Okay, 24. Next, calculate BD. If you plan to calculate BD as 60 square minus 22 square, then you are wrong because ABD is not a right angle triangle. So this didn't work. Okay. So if you can remember the step first, you need to find where is the right angle triangle. From this diagram, we have two right angle triangle. A, C, D, and B, C, D. Okay, you have the right angle triangle here. Okay. So to find BD, first you need to find CD. Okay, so AC is 22. Sorry, this is C. Okay. And then, sorry, AC is 36. And AD is 60. Okay, you have a common CD here. So CD equal to, so CD square should equal to, this is the hypotenuse. Therefore, it's 60 square minus 36 square. You calculate. So CD is equal to square root of 60 square minus 36 square. Calculate. You should get 48. Is it okay? 60 square minus 36 square is 48. So this is 48. And BD is 14. It's kind of change. Okay. So now you can calculate the BD. So BD square is equal to, BD is the hypotenuse. Therefore, you get 14 square plus 48 square. So your BD is equal to square root of 14 square plus 48 square. You should get 14 square plus 48 square. You should get 50. So BD is equal to 50. Okay, number 4. Calculate the length of AD. So this is AD. Question is, where is your right angle triangle? If you can remember, first you need to find where's the right angle triangle. If you look closely, you can put a line here and it will form a right angle triangle. So you have a D here. We just label this point as E. So put it as E and A. Where DE should equal to CD, which is 4, and EA here will be 3, because this is 5, same as here. So now you can calculate AD. AD is the hypotenuse, therefore you plus. So AD should equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square. You should get 5. Next, an equilateral triangle has side of length 8 cm. Calculate the height of the triangle. So remember, first you calculate, you need to find where is your right angle triangle. You put a diagram. You have right angle equilateral triangle of 8 cm side, and the question asks for the height. So always remember, when the question asks for height, is mean perpendicular height. You need to have 90 degrees. Therefore, where is, okay, here. Put the line and you get a 90 degrees. This side will be 4, this side will be 4. Then your right angle triangle will be 4, 8. And this will be your height. Okay. So next, you found your right angle triangle. Next is the hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse. Therefore, to find the height, you need to minus. So your height should equal to square root of 8 square minus 4 square. You calculate, you should get 8 square minus 4 square. You should get 6.9. 6.93. Or this is equivalent to 4 sub 3. Sorry. 4 sub 3. If the question asks for exact value, then you take 4 sub 3. This is the exact value. This is 2 decimal. Next, John travels, see, 8 kilometers west, then 9 kilometers north, then 20 kilometers east. How far is he from his starting point? So if you start here, 8 kilometers west, put the start point here. Okay, you say start. Then 9 kilometers north, go up. This is 190 degrees. So it's 9. And then 20 kilometers east. This is 90 degrees. So how far is he from his starting point? So the question asks for how far this point to this point. Okay. So first, you need to find where is your right angle triangle. You'll be here. Okay. So this is 8. This will be 12. Okay. So your right angle triangle will be here. This is 12. This is 9. And the question asks for this, the distance. So the distance is the hypotenuse. Okay, therefore, calculate the distance equal to square root of 12 square plus 9 square. You should get 15. Okay, next. Okay, this is a 3D question. Calculate the length of AG. So AG is here. And you need to find the right angle triangle. Be here. Okay, so your right angle triangle is A, G, and C. Okay, this is 3. Okay, the question asks for this. So before that, you need to find what is AC. So AC, CB, change color. So A, C, CB, and AB. This is 2, this is 4. We're talking about this triangle. So you have a right angle triangle here. You are dealing with 2 right angle triangle. So first one, this AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AC square, AC is equal to just square root of 4 square minus 2 square. So you calculate, you should get 4 square minus 2 square, 2 sub 3. Equal to 3.46. Okay, so this is 2 sub 3. Okay. So now you can calculate AG. So AG is equal to square root of, this is again is a hypotenuse, therefore plus 2 sub 3 square plus 3 square. Sorry, this should be plus. My mistake. Plus 2 square, you get 2 sub 5, which is equal to 4.47. Okay, so it's important to find where's the hypotenuse, because hypotenuse then you plus. If not, then you minus. Okay, so AG you calculate, you should get, this is 5, not 3. 2 sub 5 square plus 3 square. You should get square root of 29, so that equal to 5.38 or 5.39. Okay, so AG is equal to 5.39. So I have a trick for you. This trick you can use either to calculate faster or when there's no calculator allowed or without calculator. So when you're dealing with Pythagoras theorem, this you can use this Pythagoras triples. Okay, what is Pythagoras triples? Okay, for example, the first one is 3, 4, 5. This is the most common. 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means if you draw angle triangle, if this is 3, this is 4, and hypotenuse should be 5. You can check if you get 3 square plus 4 square, that equal to 9 plus 16. You'll get square root of 25, which equal to 5. Okay. Or multiple of this. For example, you times 2, you should get 6, 8, and 10. If you times 3, then you get 9, 12, and 15. These are the most common Pythagoras triples. Okay, it's very popular. So if you have a choice, please remember this. Okay, the next one is 5, 12, 13. Same stuff, okay, and or you can 7, 24, 25, and there's so many more. You can check the Pythagoras triples. Okay, if you can remember this, it will help you in calculation faster. And if you can, you need to calculate without calculator, you can calculate this. Let's try this trick. Okay, so calculate x. Okay, this is right angle triangle, and if you notice 12 is 3, this is 4. Where this just times 3 times 3 is 3 times. This is a 3, 4, 5. Okay, when you times 3, you should get 9 times 4, not times 3, times 4. Why I put times 3? You should get 9. Yeah, it's times 4, so you get 4, 12, 16, and 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore, your x is equal to 20. No need to calculate. Okay, again. Next. Okay. So this is the hypotenuse. Okay, if you look closely, this is 5, 13, 12. Okay. 5, 12, and 13. So in this case, times 2. You get 10, 24, and 26. So you have 10 here. You have 26. Therefore, your answer will be 24. Okay. So remember these Pythagoras triples, think of this. The first one, 3, 4, 5, this is the most common. Please remember this, and it do works. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. And remember to subscribe for more math tricks, step-by-step solution, and answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.